What's up guys, Javier from That Racing Channel. Welcome back to another one. We are back out at TX2K24 and behind me we have the baddest stick shift cars on the planet. We're about to see him throw down. We're going into first round of eliminations, but before we get into that, let's check out some highlights from qualifying. In his all-wheel drive Integra just went 7.5, but got taken out by Joel Gratis in his absolutely insane Supra. I know your adrenaline's pumping right now.
Oh, it's pumping. I had some tears in my eyes. I was feeling like, honestly, I don't think I've ever felt that car feel so cool.
Man, give us a rundown on how that race went. Did you treat him?
I treat him, so let me get the slip here. So margin of victory is .093. Yeah. So I had him 115 versus his 178. He had a 112 out of 126. 330, it was him versus a 3.0, mine was a 336. And then it was 477 at 149 for him versus a 498 at 151 for me. He must have laid over something because I was catching him. Then 750 versus a 734, 195, 195. Yeah.
What a
race, man. A race.
That was the most exciting thing I've seen.
I think I was like, hey man, you won, but I know I just went fast, so yeah. I was happy with it. I shifted third and I'm like, I've never felt this car feel like this.
How quick have you been in the car?
Oh dude, I've only been a 771.
Okay.
So I just knocked off 2/10. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thanks man, appreciate it. Yeah, awesome, thank you.
So that was 7.5 at
750 at 195.1.
Flying, dude.
Flying. At 2680. Definitely the best mile an hour at yeah, I mean it's best mile an hour for sure.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
And so quick rundown. How much horsepower, B series, right?
It has to be 1550, almost 1600 wheel, maybe somewhere around there.
Hell yeah.
B series still better, you know, the best.
H pattern stuff.
H pattern stuff, yeah.
Well, even though you lost,
it's okay. I'm okay with losing. Yeah, me too. Yeah.
It was an epic battle, man.
It was an epic battle, and honestly, he deserved the win. So you
got him. Remember last year?
I did. You got him the year before, but this year he deserved the win. So it was awesome.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see you next time, bro.
Awesome. Thank you. See ya. Yeah.
We got the man in the S10, Nick Coleman, in his 6-second stick shift truck, and the legend, Joel Granis, his absolutely insane Toyota Supra. They're about to go head to head. Let's see what happens. Nick Coleman just advanced round 2, taking out Joel Granis. What a run. What a race. let's go catch up with the boys and see what's going down. What's up, dude?
What's going on?
Congrats, brother.
We're not doing an interview right now.
Congrats, brother.
Way too much going on.
You gotta get ready.
Oh yeah.
Do your thing, brother. Do your thing.
Man, I can't believe it went a 77 and it shook the tire that bad.
What's up, my man?
What's going on, man?
So good to see you, man. TX2K24 stick shift class.
Yep.
It's been a wild week, brother.
Yeah, it's been rough again. We couldn't get anything to work right until the first elimination round, pretty much. We were bogging and having issues with the clutch, I guess, and finally figured it out in the first round of eliminations. Tried to turn up a little bit there against Nick, and man, he just got out on me. It was on a hell of a pass there.
For sure, for sure.
Yep.
So you took out, you got your revenge on Miles.
Yeah, he beat me like 2 or 3 years in a row, so that felt a little bit good to get in. But
yeah, man, you got your redemption.
we did a little bit larger, small turbo, I guess you would call it, but it's a 7685, so it's not very small. In hopes that it would not like restrict the flow of the big turbo so much.
What turbo was it before?
It was a 6670.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
huge difference. in
Yes,
turbo size.
quite a bit. Yeah.
Now the bigger turbo on the compound setup is.
There's a 110. Yeah, it's a big boy.
Jeez.
Yeah,
this
so
is the first time
way
I
too
was set up.
honestly way too much turbo, but it works. Like
Yeah.
it works. That pass I let out because he was way out on me, so I let out fourth gear. So you see the mile an hour, I think it was like 190 or something. It was down a little bit.
It's a wild class.
Yep.
Anything can happen.
Yep. Yeah, that's what me and Nick talked about before that run. I was like, anything can happen here. I said, I don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah.
Always good to see you, brother.
Yeah, man.
Thanks
Sounds
for coming
good.
out.
All right,
Hope
thank
to
you.
see you out here soon, man.
Yep, sounds good.
How's it going?
Congrats, dude.
Appreciate it.
You just knocked out Joel Giannis,
Yup.
heavy hitter. And
Heavy hitter.
TX2K24.
Always swings for the fence. Always kicks my ass.
Oh man,
It was due.
it was awesome match, dude.
Appreciate
You're
it.
on an awesome show so far this week.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
What's your personal best in the class?
672 at 208. Yeah, 208.
So could you give us a real basic rundown on the S10?
So it's like all off the shelf parts. The heads come from LME. They are a BR7 Brodex head. It's a dart block, standard deck, normal dart, billet dart crankshaft. So it's nothing special. Any of you guys could literally build this in your garage, get your ass out here, get stick shift racing. Like, this stuff is a hoot. And it does not matter who's the fastest, because it's all about who can stay the most consistent. So get your asses off the couch and let's f***ing go racing, baby.
Hell yeah, dude. So you're going in the next round. You know who you're racing next?
I got Sean next round.
Okay, that's gonna be a battle.
It's gonna be a battle.
It's gonna be a battle,
Dude, he gets on good passes, and he kicked my ass earlier this week in qualifying, so
Oh man, now it's
We'll
maybe
see.
time for a little bit of redemption.
oh yeah, I got a little redemption coming.
Hell yeah, dude. Well, hey, good luck out there. We'll catch you next round, brother.
Appreciate it.
Thanks so much, man. All right, guys, we got the semifinals. TX2K stick shift class. We got Nick Coleman, Sean Madden. This is gonna be a hell of a race. All right, so we got Grubworm and we got Nick Coleman. They're about to go into the finals for TX2K stick shift class, and they had some carnage with the transmission. So it looks like Nick broke something in the trans. So they are scrambling to get this trans fixed in time. And talk about some good sportsmanship. Grubworm is giving them all the time they need, or that the track will allow, to get that thing fixed so they can put on a show for the crowd.
I don't know if I have anything for it. Tip it over. It runs out. Here, you got it. Hold on. Where's the stuff? You climb up in there, I'll hold it. Huh? Stop first.
You guys are cranking, bro. You got this, dude.
New trans about to be in. It's not a new trans. This is the 232 trans, so hopefully it takes it.
You just gotta love this sport. Got multiple competitors helping Nick, trying to get this thing back together. We got the stick shift finals coming up. We got Nick Coleman versus Grub Worm. It's gonna be a banger. Let's see what goes down.
Nick was ran by 1,000th of a second. Tried for the whole shot, but came up 1,000th fast.
Well, I am sorry, guys, but I almost had that. Thanks for having me, man.
Buddy, I love you, man. I appreciate your support. It'd be much bigger if it weren't.
That's okay. Hey, that was killer, man.
Well,
next year, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna whoop everyone's ass. I promise you guys. Third year in a row, top qualifier right here.
001 red.
I know.
You were on it.
dude, and I got to the end and we both were like, dude, that was sick, you won. And I was like, yeah. And then he was like, they came up, you suck. Ah, I know I suck. It's all right.
You're the man, buddy.
Yeah! You found it back there?
They gave it to us down there.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Gave it to us.
My man.
How about that?
Woohoo! Found it. Congratulations, brother.
Yeah,
TX2K stick shift, baby.
that's it. I hate to win it that way. I mean, Nick had me beat. We was down there celebrating, you know, in his sake. You know, I thought he won, and he gets a 001 red. So, I mean, he deserves the win. He beat me. We blew through the clutch or spun the tire in high. I don't know what it was, but fourth gear, we lost traction or lost the clutch, and he just drove out our life, and I knew he'd won it, and then his crew come down and was like, he's 1,000th red. So
That's how she goes sometimes, right?
yeah, that's how it goes. But
Any changes on the setup, or what's the... What'd you bring this week?
it's a lot of the same thing we've been racing for years, but it's got that bow tie block engine back in it now that we set the record with a couple of years ago at FL2K. Other than that, just working with clutch stuff, experimenting a little bit. It's first time out, so you know, we struggled all weekend and finally got a handle on it a little bit in the semis. It took us that long.
We were fighting rain, all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, we just kept spinning in second gear and then down track. You know, the 60 foot was great, starting line was great, but you know, I don't know if the track was just so tight or what, but when we lose momentum with the stick shift and have to catch the next gear, a lot of us was really struggling with that.
For sure, for sure. Well, congrats on the win.
Thank you.
And hopefully we'll see you at the next race, man.
Yeah. Yes, sir.